Good afternoon. I think it's like around 12 already. I've been up since earlier, but I wanted to do today a couple of things because I was gonna do this week, but a lot has been happening this week that it's delaying what I wanted to do. So one thing we're gonna do for today is we're gonna revise our resume again. That's one. Two, we're going to do our roots because your girl needs it. And three, we are going to clean up this room because it's a whole lot of mess. So yeah, those are the things we're gonna do. Oh, and fourth, we have to do rice because there's no rice and we want rice. But yeah, those are the things we're gonna do today because I need to do them. So right now I am editing. I'm gonna start editing this other video that I had already like planned for like a week. So we're gonna do that and then do the revising of the resume because we need to send it out and we need to get a job ASAP. Like, I don't know why is this so hard to do it right now, but yeah, we're gonna do that. Also, I had my drink already, which is giving me a little bit more energy, but I want to do my matcha later on, so we're gonna do that too. Matcha, I don't know. It's been like weird, like a weird shift that I'm going to more matcha now than actual coffee nowadays. But yeah, other than that, Tuesday I did go to my doctor's and I'm doing this special exam that I'm gonna wait next week for, which is a whole stressful thing. And if you don't see my arm, like I think you can see it. You see that little thing? The shit, like the band-aid ripped my skin for some reason. It's a whole fucking shit. And it burns. It's like literally it fucking burns. Also, we're gonna do something about our skin because it's been getting better over here because I did have a lot of pimples. We need to get rid of this too. So yeah, we're going to wash our face also later on. But yeah, we need to do our roots. Like my hair's been growing really fast, like automatically fucking fast. But yeah. So it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I am going to do my hair because as you can tell, Rudash is showing a lot. So I already detangled my hair. So we're just going to do my hair right now. So I'm gonna do the chemicals right now because we're gonna do the chemicals, which are this brand and high color in copper, silicon copper, and this one is just regular copper. I'm gonna do that right now. And it's already open because last time I had to do it because I made a sadly mistake and missed a spot. So it wasn't a big spot, but it was a huge spot. Squeezing these are like so annoying. I should do what I did here. Wait. I'll be back. So we're gonna do petroleum jelly because this helped not stain my forehead, literally. And I did this is like my 4th time doing this, so I would say I am a pro at this point, but not really because I always mess those sometimes. But it's just like the littlest detail. But I got this far already, so okay, I'm gonna have to do this. And then And also remember to put it on the parts of your skin, which is like the back of the ears, the most important. Especially, I know it stings a little bit, but I like to go in my ear. I did this so much, and I'm like still doing tutorials on how to do this. But let me finish doing this, and then I'll be right back. So I got gloves because I want to be professional, but like they're like so horrible, like very horrible. But they get the job done, to be honest with you. So just gonna put on. Okay. I don't know how to attack on this. Like the color on my hair, my natural hair is fine. Like my other length is fine. Here I'm just going to separate it. I'm gonna do that. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do that. Separate it so it can... This is a dumbass. I forgot to bring my fucking clippers. Not clippers. So this is me just waiting. I'm patiently waiting. Nothing's like 10 minutes left. Gonna check it and probably leave it for 4 more minutes, and then inside I already prepared everything, so we should be a-okay with our roots. Looking like a new bitch. I literally just noticed this right here. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna make some tteokbokki, which is these right here. With this, the mild samjang, because I haven't tried this one. I tried the regular gochujang and like it personally, but I never tried this one before. So, it smells so good. But we're gonna put some in here. So I gotten this today because I heard it does help with, you know, cleaning your pores and everything. So first I'm gonna do my facial and then I will come back and we're gonna figure this how this actually works or not. So we're gonna use this, and I heard all you have to do is put a little bit in your hand like this and then put some water in it. So we're gonna do that. So let's see. Okay, especially like this. Let's see. It's supposed to be literally taking out, cleaning your pore. I have a lot on my nose, and I think I'm gonna put more because it's really. I think I'm gonna just get a bigger one, but okay, so I'm gonna wash my face with water, and let's see what happens. It's supposed to. I'll tell you the benefits once I finish. So I did check my pores. They look clean. It looks better than what I had before, so that is good. We're going to continue, and I'll give a final review within like probably a week or two, just to see how the actual effects are. I'm gonna continue to do my face, and we'll see you later. Okay, so as you can tell, well, right now I just rubbed my whole face. I have, you know, right here breakouts due to period. But yeah, other than that, that's about it. Oh, I fucking hit myself right here. It hurts like a bitch. But for this little tiny product, I've been hearing good things, so we're gonna continue to use it. If I do like it within 2 weeks, I probably am going to buy the bigger one. So all I know is my nose used to be very like had a little bit of blackheads, but I see a little bit with this. I don't know. We'll see in 2 weeks. Okay, so right now I'm just chilling. I did come back from Ulta. I got a couple of things from Ulta. Let me see if I can show it. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I got a couple of things, like I said. The first one is from Ulta. I got these acne spot dots. It comes with 60 patches with 3 different sizes. These. I did get the Maddie patch. I wanted to test it out, so I got the little travel size. And I do have like a couple of them already on because I did have acne scars. If you couldn't tell, I got another one of these, so I'm good. This has like made my nose a little bit more cleaner. Also, I got my restock of the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil, and I saw everyone use this. So this is the ginseng essence water. I tried it on today, made my skin look beautiful, so that would be a replacement. And then I got 2 sunscreens, which is the Sunbun Sculpt and Hair sunscreen. It's good to also protect your hair because, you know, it can damage the color. So I did this because I do have copper hair, so we're good with that. And I did get sunscreen because you do need sunscreen, but this is the Jusom is this one right here. Heard good reviews with this one. This is Relief Sun Rice and Probiotics sunscreen. 50 SPF is 50. So yeah, these are the things that I bought that I really needed because I'm promoting more now skincare routines and makeup because I used to wear a lot of makeup before. So having my skin look flawless is what I need. Apparently these you leave on for 6 to 8 hours. So we should see. Put them on now, and I'm probably going to take them off like around 4 in the morning or when I wake up. We'll see. But yeah, I am going to do an updated version of my skincare since I got new skincare that I am obsessed with so far.